Hello guys, welcome to this session. Today we are going to discuss MCQs on architecture and painting, which is an important topic in Indian art and culture. So watch the complete session guys, and if anyone is visiting the channel for the first time, subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon also. So let us start the session with first question. Which ornament was worn only by the women in the Indus Valley civilization? A option is necklace, B is finger ring, C option is earring and D option is armlet. So right answer आएगा option C, that is earring. Next question is the name of the preaching gesture associated with the first sermon of Buddha at Sarnath in the Gandhara style of sculpture is. A option is Abhay, B is Dhyana, C option is Dharam Chakra and D option is Bhumi Sparsha. So right answer is option C, that is Dharam Chakra. Next question is who was the architect of the north and south block of the Central Secretariat in New Delhi? A option is Edward Lutyens, B is Antonin Raymond, C option is Robert Todd Russell and D option is Herbert Baker. The right answer is option D, that is Herbert Baker. Next question is four famous sun temple of India are Modhera in Gujarat, Konark in Odisha, Suryanar Kovil in Tamil Nadu and Martanda which is in Kashmir. Okay, in which of the following state is the last sun temple situated? First of all guys, आपको ये जो चार सन टेम्पल है इंडिया में ये फेमस वन है और आपको इनकी लोकेशन याद रखनी है, राइट? तो हम ऑप्शन देख लेते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज केरला, बी इज असम, सी इज बिहार एंड लास्ट ऑप्शन इज जम्मू एंड कश्मीर. सो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज जम्मू एंड कश्मीर. और जम्मू एंड कश्मीर में है मार्तन सन टेम्पल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज कलमकारी पेंटिंग रेफर्स टू. A option is handmade painting done on cotton fabrics in South India. B option is painting made by hand on bamboo handicraft in Northeast India. C option is painting made by block on woolen fabric in the West Himalayan region of India. And D option is painting made by hand on decorative silk fabric in Northwest India. So right answer is option A, that is Kalamkari painting refers to the handmade painting done on cotton fabric in South India. Next question is Dash Avatara Temple of Devgarh is of which type? A option is Davikuta, B option is Trikuta, C option is Ikayatna and D option is Panchayatna. So right answer is option D, that is Panchayatna. And Dash Avatar temple located है Deogarh in UP and ये temple dedicated है Lord Vishnu को and इस temple को बनाया गया है during the Gupta period. Okay. Next question is the bronze Buddhist sculpture of Sultanganj was built in. A option is Mauryan period, B is Kushan period, C option is Shunga period and D option is Gupta period. So right answer is option D, that is Gupta period. Next question is folk painting Madhubani is associated with. A option is West Bengal, B is Odisha, C is Bihar and D option is Assam. Guys, Madhubani painting is a famous one और इस पर जो है क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में मोस्टली रिपीटेड होता है. So this painting belongs to the state Bihar. Okay. Next question is Khajuraho temple was built during the reign of. A option is Cholas, B is Pallavas, C option is Chandelas and D option is Kushanas. So right answer is option C, that is Chandelas, and Khajuraho temple is located in Madhya Pradesh. Next question is where is the Sharda Peeth situated? A option is Badrinath, B is Puri, C option is Dwarka and D option is Mussoorie. So right answer is option C, that is Dwarka. Guys, there are four mutts or peeths which are established by Adi Shankaracharya. जो फर्स्ट पीठ है वो है ज्योतिर्पीठ इन नॉर्थ इन बद्रीनाथ. सेकंड पीठ इज द शारदा पीठ इन द वेस्ट, वो लोकेटेड है द्वारका में. थर्ड पीठ इज द गोवर्धन पीठ जो लोकेटेड है पुरी में. एंड फोर्थ पीठ है श्रृंगेरी पीठ जो कि है चिकमंगलूर डिस्ट्रिक्ट इन कर्नाटका में, राइट? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स इज फॉल्स? A option is Hawa Mahal is situated in Jaipur, B is Chota Imambara is situated in Lucknow, C option is Prince of Wales Museum is situated in Delhi, D option is Hauz Khas is situated in Delhi. So right answer is option C, that is Prince of Wales Museum is not situated in Delhi but Prince of Wales Museum situated at Mumbai. Okay. Next question is during the tenure of which governor was the construction of Victoria Memorial completed in 1921 in Calcutta? A option is Elgin, B is Curzon, C option is Minto and D option is Reading. One point is clear from the question कि जो विक्टोरिया मेमोरियल है वो कहाँ पर लोकेटेड है? कैलकाटा में. ये भी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है, इसको याद रखिएगा, राइट? और इसकी जो कंप्लीशन हो गई थी कंस्ट्रक्शन की वो हुई थी ड्यूरिंग द राइन ऑफ लॉर्ड रीडिंग. ओके. Next question is the colossal temple that was conceived and built during the reign of Suryavarman II was. A option is Shri Mariamman Temple. B option is Angkor Wat Temple. C option is Bate Cave Temple. And D option is Kamakhya Temple. So right answer is option B, that is Angkor Wat Temple. And Angkor Wat Temple located है in Cambodia में. And this temple is dedicated to Lord Vishnu. And it is said that Angkor Wat Temple is the largest religious monument in the world. ये क्वेश्चन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है गाइस। इस टेम्पल के बारे में आपको जो मैंने यहाँ पर बताया ये पॉइंट्स आपको याद रखने हैं और इसको बनाया गया था ड्यूरिंग द राइन ऑफ सूर्यवर्मन टू। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज वेयर इज द अटाला म्यूजियम सिचुएटेड? ए ऑप्शन इज लखनऊ, बी इज बनारस, सी ऑप्शन इज दिल्ली एंड डी ऑप्शन इज जौनपुर। तो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज जौनपुर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज बाग केव्स आर फेमस फॉर? ए ऑप्शन इज स्कल्पचर, बी इज पेंटिंग, सी ऑप्शन इज इंस्क्रिप्शन and D option is architecture. So right answer is option B, that is painting. And where is the Bagh caves located? So they are located in Madhya Pradesh, right? Here I mentioned some of the important caves जो आपको एग्जाम के लिए याद रखनी है। तो फर्स्ट इज द सतगढ़वा केव, जिसमें 7 केव्स हैं। इनको अशोका के द्वारा बनाया गया है और ये लोकेटेड है बिहार में, राइट। बारबर केव्स आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट और इस पर क्वेश्चन बनता है एग्जाम में इस तरह से, दैट विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग केव्स आर द ओल्डेस्ट सर्वाइविंग रॉक कट केव इन इंडिया, राइट। तो आपको याद रखना है बारबर केव्स, ये भी हैं बिहार में। आगे हैं नागार्जुना केव्स, ये भी बिहार में हैं और इनको बनाया गया है दशरथा के द्वारा, राइट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हु बिल्ड द विटला टेम्पल ऑफ हम्पी? A option is Harihara first, B option is Devaraya 2, C option is Krishna Devaraya and D option is Vijay Raya 2. The right answer is option B, that is Devaraya 2, right? And Vitra temple located in Hampi in Karnataka, okay? And Devaraya 2 is one of the ruler of Vijayanagar Empire, okay? Next question is which of the following is not correct about the Brideshwara temple in Tanjavur? First option is the temple is an excellent example of Chola architecture. B is it was built by the emperor Rajaraja Chola first. C option is this temple is built in granite and D option is the temple is a monument dedicated to Lord Vishnu. तो आपको इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट बतानी है। सो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज द टेम्पल इज अ मोनुमेंट dedicated to Lord Vishnu. This temple is actually dedicated to the Lord Shiva. Okay, so that this statement is false. राइट, इस टेम्पल को बनाया गया था राजराजा चोला फर्स्ट। दिस पॉइंट इज इंपॉर्टेंट, आपको इसको अच्छे से याद रखना है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच टाइप ऑफ पेंटिंग्स आर प्रेवलेंट इन कांगड़ा स्टाइल ऑफ पेंटिंग? ए ऑप्शन इज लीजेंड्स एंड सेंट्रल फिगर्स ऑफ रीति पीरियड, बी इज वॉर सीन्स, सी ऑप्शन इज बर्ड्स एंड एनिमल्स एंड डी ऑप्शन इज डेली एक्टिविटीज। तो राइट आंसर आएगा ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज लीजेंड्स एंड सेंट्रल फिगर्स ऑफ रीति पीरियड। Other famous painting of Himachal Pradesh is Basoli School of Painting, right? And these all paintings of this state is collectively known as Bahari painting, right? And what was the main subject of Kangra painting? So it was Krishna and Radha. Next question is which type of painting is prevalent in Gujarati style of painting? A option is battle scenes, B is birds and animals, C option is daily activities, and D option is natural forms. So right answer is option D, that is natural forms. Next question is which ruler built the famous Mahabodhi temple? A option is Ajatashatru, B is Ashoka and C option is Devpala and D option is Dharmapala. So first of all जो महाबोधि टेम्पल है it is located in बिहार, right? और इसको बनाने वाले जो रूलर थे उनका नाम था अशोका, ओके। और ये टेम्पल लोकेटेड है ऑन द बैंक ऑफ निरंजना रिवर इन बोधगया इन बिहार, ओके। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द वर्ड पंचायत एसोसिएटेड विद रेफरेंस टू द इंडियाज कल्चर हिस्ट्री? A option is the assembly of village elders, B option is a religious sect, C option is a temple building style and D option is an administrative. So right answer is option C, is temple building style. Next question is who built the Martan temple of Kashmir? A option is Chandrapeda, B is Lalit Aditya, C option is Avanti Varman and D option is Dida. So right answer आएगा option B, that is Lalit Aditya। और Martan temple of Kashmir ये एक सन टेम्पल है, राइट, जिसको कि हमने प्रीवियस भी डिस्कस किया। Next question is what is the term used for the northern style of temple? A option is Dravida, B is Nagada, C option is Bisar, D option is none of these. The answer is option B, that is Nagada. And the architecture of South Indian temple is Dravida, right? Next question is who among these was not a painter in Akbar's court? A option is Daswant, B option is Abdul Samad, C option is Kalyan Das and D option is Baswan. The right answer is option C, that is Kalyan Das. And the Mughals painting started during the reign of Humayun and get flourished during the reign of Jahangir, right? Next question is Har Ki Pauri in Haridwar was built by? A option is King Mangal Sena, C option is King Vikramaditya, C option is King Ashoka and D option is King Haripala. So right answer is option B, that is King Vikramaditya. Next question is consider the following historic places. First is Ajanta Caves, B is Lepakshi Temple, C is थर्ड इज सांची स्तूपा. सो आपको बताना है इन कौन सी साइट्स पे जो है एविडेंस मिलते हैं या जानी जाती हैं फॉर द मुराल पेंटिंग. सो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज 1 and 2, दैट इज अजंता केव्स एंड लेपाक्षी टेम्पल. और जो अदर साइट्स हैं जहाँ पर जो जानी जाती है मुराल पेंटिंग के लिए वो है बाग केव जो कि मध्य प्रदेश में है, बाकी है सीपनावसल केव, अरमामलाई केव जो कि तमिलनाडु में है, एंड कैलाश टेम्पल और जिसको कि एलोरा टेम्पल भी कहा जाता है. ओके. Next question is where is the world famous temple of truth is situated? A option is Bodh Gaya, B is Rangoon, C option is Kandy, and D option is Colombo. So right answer is option C, that is Kandy in Sri Lanka. And the temple of sacred truth or Sri Dalda Maligwa is a Buddhist temple which housed the relic of the tooth of Buddha. Right? Next question is which of the following pairs are matched correctly? A option is Vikramshila University in Uttar Pradesh, B is Hemkund Gurdwara in Himachal Pradesh, C is Udayagiri Caves in Maharashtra, and D option is Amravati Buddhist Cave in Andhra Pradesh. So you have to find the correct pairs. Right answer is option D, that is Amravati Buddhist Caves in Andhra Pradesh. बाकी उनके लोकेशन हम देख लेते हैं. So first is Vikramshila University is located in Bihar. Next point is Hemkund Gurdwara is located in Chamoli district in Uttarakhand, right? And Udayagiri caves, which are dedicated to God, Lord Shiva and Vishnu, these caves are located in Vidisha in Madhya Pradesh, right? Next question is which of the following museums is in New Delhi? A option is Prince of Wales Museum, B is Indian Museum, C option is Salar Jung Museum, and D option is National Museum. So right answer is option D, that is National Museum. Next question is who painted the world famous painting Bullock Cart of the Mughal style? A option is Daswant, B is Manohar, C is option is Mansoor, and D option is Abdul Hassan. So right answer is option D, that is Abdul Hassan. And Abdul Hassan painted थे in the court of Jahangir. Okay. Next question is which temple is famous as Black Pagoda? A option is the Sun Temple of Konark, B is the Sun Temple of Martanda, C option is the Sun Temple of Modhera, and D option is the Hosaleshwara temple. So right answer आएगा option A, that is the Sun Temple of Konark. वो जाना जाता है एज अ ब्लैक पैगोडा के नाम से. नेक्स्ट इज देख लेते हैं कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट. जो वृंदावन गार्डन है वो है मसूरी इन मांड्या डिस्ट्रिक्ट इन कर्नाटका. जो सलार जंग म्यूजियम है ये हैदराबाद में लोकेटेड है, एंड अदर इज अरविंदो आश्रम, ये लोकेटेड है पौंडीचेरी में. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हु वर द पार्टिसिपेंट in designing the city of New Delhi? A option is Edward Lutyens and Herbert Baker, B option is S.F. Grashe and E.G.K, C option is R.F. Chisholm and H. Irving, D option is G. Whittet and Swiss Pond Lacube. So right answer आएगा option A, that is Edward Lutyens and Herbert Baker. नेक्स्ट देख लीजिए जो विक्टोरिया मेमोरियल हॉल है वो कोलकाता में है और इनके जो आर्किटेक्ट थे वो थे W. एमरसन. सेकंड इज सेंट्रल सेक्रेटरीट न्यू दिल्ली, इनको जो डिज़ाइन करने वाले पर्सन थे वो थे हर्बर्ट बेकर. एंड थर्ड इज इंडिया गेट न्यू दिल्ली, इनके जो आर्किटेक्चर थे वो थे एडमंड ल्यूटन्स. एंड फोर्थ इज गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया मुंबई, और इनको जो बनाने वाले पर्सन थे वो थे जॉर्ज विटेट. राइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द गंधारा स्कूल ऑफ स्कल्पचर वॉज अ फ्यूजन ऑफ. A option is Indian and Greek style, B is Indian and Persian style, C is originally pure Indian, and D option is Indian and Southeast Asian style. So right answer आएगा option A, that is Indian and Greek styles. And Gandhara school of sculpture flourished during the reign of Kushan period. Okay. Next question is where is the Saptaratha temple situated? A option is Mahabalipuram, B is Kanchipuram, C is Madurai, and D option is Puri. So right answer is option A, that is Mahabalipuram or Mamlapuram in Tamil Nadu. And this Saptaratha or seventh temple built by the Pallava king, and his name was Narasimhavarman first. Here I mentioned some of the important temple and their location. So first one is the Dashavatara temple, ये हम previous कर चुके हैं. ये dedicated है Lord विष्णु को and located in Deogarh in Lalitpur district in उत्तर प्रदेश. Next temple is सोमनाथ temple जो dedicated है Lord शिवा को और ये located है गुजरात में. थर्ड टेम्पल इज द टेम्पल ऑफ लॉर्ड वरहा और वरहा स्वामी टेम्पल और भू वरहा स्वामी टेम्पल जो है तिरुपति डिस्ट्रिक्ट इन आंध्र प्रदेश में. राइट. So that's it for today guys. I hope that you love the content. Please give a one thumbs up to video. We will meet soon in the next session. Till then, bye bye and take care.